Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be harvesting brinjals and going back to the kitchen to make one of my favorite dishes, crumb brinjals. Brinjals, also known as eggplants and aubergines, are part of the nightshade family. They are also related to tomatoes and even peppers. So brinjals can be grown in containers, making it very easy for these people that do not have big gardens and a small space. It makes it so much easier for them to actually grow eggplants. So we have two beautiful brinjals that are ready to harvest on that side, and that is going to be absolutely amazing to feed 4 people. Then we do have some more brinjals on this side. These two are a little bit smaller. You are able to actually harvest it at that size. There is no stopping you from harvesting this. This is ripe, but I like it to reach about that size, and don't let it overgrow, because what happens is the brinjals start going a little bit of a green color, and that's when it's going to start over ripening. So let's just take a little bit of a closer look at what it actually looks like. Look how beautiful this brinjal looks. You can feel it's not too hard, it's not soft, but it is like if you push it in, that is a perfect indication that it is ripe. If it bounced out, you know it is not ready. But this, you can see it's been on the plant for a while, and we are ready to harvest and cook these guys. So these brinjals are called the Black Beauty brinjals, and it's the only variety I actually buy and plant from seed because I know how creamy they are. And I think next year I might actually try a different variety just to give other brinjals a taste and see if it's actually worth growing, because brinjals do very well. I'm not a big fan of brinjals when it comes to stews or curries or even roasted, but there's 2 ways I actually eat the brinjals. So there is 2 ways, as I was saying, that I eat the brinjals, and the first way is making a brinjal lasagna. So instead of using your pasta, you will be using and replacing the pasta with brinjal slices, and it's absolutely amazing. And then the second option is slicing them and putting them in some crumbs and frying them. You can also put them in the air fryer, and I think last year we actually tried that method, and it was less oily and more healthy, and it tastes absolutely amazing. Actually putting it in the air fryer gave it a more creamy taste than actually just frying it in oil. But we're going to actually go back into the kitchen now, and I'm going to put some in the air fryer, and then in the description I will actually tell you how long to put it in the air fryer for if you want to go that route. I've got 3 beautiful brinjals here that I am going to start prepping to make the crumbed brinjals. And I thought, while I was busy harvesting, there was a nice zucchini that was ready. I'm going to do the same thing with this. So just start prepping this, and the only thing that we're missing, because we've got our flour, and then from the flour we dip it in the eggs, and then the breadcrumbs. You can use whatever breadcrumbs you want, but we're missing eggs. So let me grab some egg, and if you need more, you just add to it. We have our own chickens that lay beautiful eggs, and so we know that this is absolutely going to be awesome. Check, the yolk is yellow. So what you can also do is you can add salt and pepper to the egg. I've just gone and added some cayenne, salt, pepper, and some herbs into the flour. Then things like this, throw into your compost heap, as well as your eggshells. Nothing goes to waste. And you don't want them too thick. They're too thick, it becomes a little bit too much for me. As I said, I don't eat brinjals, and this is the one way I do eat brinjals. So like that. You can also take the skin off. I know that I would probably do that. You don't need to take the rim off. I just do. These are so nice and crispy. So I've cut one and I'm gonna taste test this. So I've just finished cooking them nice and warm. I've just added to my dish, my supper dish, and this guy has just finished. So I'm gonna take this out and try some beautiful zucchini. So that is all from the Small Urban Greens homestead, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that you don't miss out on any more of our homestead journey. Until next time, see you in the garden.